Hey everybody, it's Tina here from DeBoer's Auto. And as we're rolling into the fall and coming into Car Care Awareness Month in October, we want to make sure that you stay safe on the road. So come on down and get your vehicle evaluated and just make sure that you have awareness to what your vehicle needs. From there, we have all the tools and resources to help you figure out how to get your repairs. So if you're worried about how you're going to be able to finance these repairs, especially going into the holiday season, let us help you. Through Synchrony, TechNet, and their credit card line that we can help you get signed up with, you have the option to have 0% financing for 6 months. So you can take that car repair and you can divide it into 6 months of payments. And so then that way you can actually save some money and not have to worry about interest charges, and while also being able to save your wallet. Come see us for details, book online, call, or email us and let us know how soon we can get you in so that we can get you taken care of. We like to help you live life uninterrupted.